Local news for Friday the 15th of June. Minister of Civil Defence, Commerce and Consumer Affairs and Associate Minister of Immigration Chris Farfoy will be visiting Masterton today, speaking with Labour List MP Kieran McAnulty and members of the local Chamber of Commerce. The Lansdowne Residents Association are hosting a community engagement day tomorrow on how they can play a role in water quality and water use going forward. The event kicks off at 2 o'clock at Burling Park. And tonight is the Charles Rooking Carter Awards. The annual events evening takes place at the Carterton Event Centre, so we wish all the nominees the best of luck. And of course, today kicks off the 10-day Heart of Carterton Winter Festival. With night markets, a snow dome and ice skating rink, there's something for young and old. And this weekend's Premier Club Rugby, Gladstone will host Greytown, Martinborough host Marist, Masterton and Red Star have defaulted to Carterton, and Eketahuna head to Whanayama to play East Coast.